Hello and welcome to Module 6, Statement of Cash Flows. We're going to be going over Chapter 16 in this module. So Chapter 16 is really going to dig into that fourth financial statement that you learned about back in Accounting 1. So back in Accounting 1, you learned about an income statement, you learned about a statement of owner's equity, you learned about a balance sheet, and you learned of a statement of cash flows. But you never really dug in and did them. So here in this chapter, we are going to learn the ins and outs behind that fourth statement, the statement of cash flows. The statement of cash flows is separated into three sections. The operating cash flows section, which discusses all of the cash flows associated with our operations during the period. In my opinion, I think the operating cash flows is probably going to be the hardest one to tackle. The investing cash flows. These are going to be all the cash flows that you have coming in and out associated with investing. And then the financing cash flows. Same idea, all of the cash flows coming in and out associated with financing your operations, right? So here, when we're taking a look at cash flow statements, there's two main methods, the direct method and the indirect method. The direct method, you should know what it is, you should understand it, but really it's the indirect method that we are going to be digging into the most. So when you're making your notes and you're doing your outlines, that is going to be the one that you're probably going to spend most of your time on. Now again, cash flows are probably going to be one of the more complicated topics that you're going to go over. So again, if you need any help thinking through these concepts, please be sure to reach out to a tutor to go over one of your homework problems or perhaps one of the examples in the book. Okay, so keep up the good work. The end of this course is right around the corner, so please be sure that you are putting in as much effort as you can as we reach the last few modules of this course.